Hello everyone, welcome to Harsha Lectures. In this lecture I am going to explain you about missing number. Coming to the problem, they given an array nums containing n digit numbers in the range 0, n, return the only number in the range that is missing from the array. Follow, would you implement a solution using only 0 of 1 extra space complexity and 0 of n runtime complexity? Coming to example 1, they given in the nums 3, 0, 1. So the length of the input is 3. We need to find out the missing number between that range. So here the missing number is 2 that we need to show. Coming to example 2, the given nums equal to 0, 1. So here the length of the given input is 2 and so here the missing element is 2. So how can we show the missing number? What is the logic behind it? I will explain you clearly in this lecture. So in this class, in a method, I am going to create two variables. One is sum and another one is length. Sum I am initializing 0 and for length I am mentioning nums.length. Here in this for loop, I am going to initialize I equal to 0 and I less than nums.length and then I increment. So in this for loop, what I will do? I will do first, I just want to add each and every element in the given input. So sum equal to sum plus nums of I. Okay. In this sum equal to sum plus nums I, by implementing this step, it will store the sum of all given input. And then in this return, I am going to do length. So to find out the missing number, we need to do one thing. I am going to implement the sum of n natural numbers. The sum of n natural numbers formula is n into n plus 1 by 2. So by implementing that formula, so first what it will do? It will do, if the length is 3, then we will implement n into n plus 1 by 2. By doing that, we can find out the sum of n natural numbers and in that sum of all natural numbers, we can subtract. When we subtract with sum, then what is going to be happen? What is the missing number will be there? That we can easily find. So that I am going to mention in this return statement. So here length and n into n plus 1 by 2. So here n into n plus 1 by 2 minus sum. By implementing this step, we'll check what will happen. Okay, it is showing some error. I will do one thing. I will go and I will come back. Then it will work. It's not related to problem actually. Okay. Now I will run this code. We'll check any error is there or not. It is accepted. Now I will submit this code. Okay, success. So here what I did is, I just create two variables. One is sum and length. For sum I initialize with 0 and for length I initialize with nums.length. In this for loop, I just add the sum of every element which are given in this input. And in this return statement, I implemented n into n plus 1 by 2 formula. With the help of that formula, I can find out the length and I can find out the n natural numbers. And with that formula, if I subtract this sum, then I can find out the missing number. This is the logic behind it. If you have any queries, you can mention your doubts in commentary section, and please do like and subscribe for more videos. Don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.